Sunday morning, Lake Erie. Yesterday was flat, calm. Guys were out there getting some nice perch. Today's a different story. That's how fast the weather changes here. You can see the flags flying pretty good. It's supposed to be gusting to 50. I'd say it's a solid 30, 35 maybe. But it's definitely a big change from yesterday. Sun's just coming up. Nobody out today, no way. Walleye time soon. A couple of my buddies got some nice smallmouth yesterday. Catch and release, New York stateside. The river should still be good. Steely's in the lower. Everything's in the upper. Updated reports all the time. Check it out. MWC Detroit River. That's coming up. You want to see what happens? Follow on Twitter. Want to see some photos, sunsets, clouds, stuff like that? Check it out. Instagram. FishingNiagara.com. Good luck. Go fishing.